Here's some awesome shape Evolution bolts. These are for P blocked guns, such as the Evolution. Venturi face has the Belsales knurled bolt retainer pin, or bolt pin I should say. You can see in the back they have the screw with the BB. There's the BB right there, it's hard to see, but it's in that hole. And that's what hooks in right here. And we can see here's a pre-2K length Carter bolt. So when we put this right next to the Evolution bolt, we can see how much longer the Carter bolt is. See, it's hooked into the bolt hole here. You can see that obviously you can't switch them out, they're not interchangeable.